How much does Assurant pay? Assurant offers competitive salaries and compensation packages for its employees, varying by job role, experience, and location. The company provides opportunities in insurance claims, customer service, sales, and management, with salaries based on industry standards and employee performance. 1. Entry-level positions and customer service pay. Assurance entry-level roles, such as customer service representatives and claims processors, typically earn between $15 to $22 per hour, translating to an annual salary of $30,000 to $45,000. These roles often include bonuses and overtime pay based on performance. 2. Salaries for claims adjusters and underwriters. Claims adjusters and underwriters at Assurant earn an average salary between $50,000 and $75,000 per year. Those with specialized skills or experience in high-demand areas, such as property or auto claims, may earn higher salaries and performance-based bonuses. Third, sales and insurance agent earnings. Sales professionals and insurance agents working with Assurant have a base salary ranging from $40,000 to $60,000 per year, with commission-based earnings that can significantly increase total compensation. Top-performing agents may earn $80,000 or more annually. 4. Management and senior level salaries. Supervisors, managers, and senior executives receive higher compensation, with team leaders and supervisors earning between $60,000 and $90,000 per year. Mid-level managers making $80,000 to $120,000 annually, depending on department and experience. Senior executives and directors earning $150,000 or more per year, often with stock options and performance bonuses. 5. Additional benefits and compensation. Assurant offers benefits such as 401k matching, health insurance, paid time off, and performance bonuses. Employees in commission-based roles can further increase earnings through incentives and sales-based rewards. Assurant provides competitive salaries across various positions, with earnings ranging from $30,000 for entry-level roles to over $150,000 for senior executives. Compensation is further enhanced through performance bonuses, commissions, and comprehensive benefits. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.